Since it is Workers' Day, the Swazi TV news crew took time to speak to different people of different professions in the country to find out about the importance of their professions and the role they play in society. We spoke to a teacher, a police officer, and a combi driver. Saul Zigalala, a police officer in Babane, says police play a vital role since they act as pastors, counselors, law enforcers, and are there to ensure peace and safety.
Kuze kuthi ke bantu baphatheke kahle eveni kube bethe lohlukubethekako kube bethe lophatheka kabi siyendlula futhi sizame nekubakhansela labo lokubonakala ukuthi sibaphatheke kabi sibeluleke kuze ukuthi lo munye ungena ecaleni angadi usikwenda lokula kwenda ukulicala ngakho ke bese siyakhona usinasefikile la siyakhona kumeluleka abone so bengingadi ukuthi licala leli so uqhubeka nawo ukuthi uyathi usivele wena licala.
Nelly Dlamini, a teacher at Peak Central High in Peak, say teachers are undoubtedly the mother to all professions. She says all the professions that there are, they came from a teacher since they sat in class one day to acquire knowledge.
Ishela umcoka kakhulu eveni nasemhlabeni wonke jikelele ngoba kusesandleni sathishela lapho khona kuphuma onke lama professions akaba khona nje emhlabeni, be it political, economical or otherwise. Bonke labantu labo bakhuluma ngithishela kanganga kube kuthi nje uma thishela angeke aba role model emfaneni lesive singafa.
Combi drivers also say without them the country can come to a standstill. Peter Matsebura, a combi driver and marshal in Babane bus rank, says they transport members of the public from morning till sunset every day for 365 days a year.
Indzeba ledlala abashayeli betimoto inkulu kakhulu la ngwa. Alo ukuthi la ufuna kuyakhona uyakhona ukufinyelela. Bese ke njengoba nyalo kuliholiday letisebenzi bengeke kulunga ukuthi sime thina baka transport ngoba kumqolo ukuthi umuntu ubuyele emakhaya labanye babuyele endzaweni ehlukahlukene.
Matsebula says even though their profession is still undermined, but they do hold on since they are able to feed their families. It is therefore important that regardless of what jobs we do, we should respect each other and each other's jobs since they contribute to the society. Report combined by Gianni Msibi with Longelele Makakula.